Guys, I am back with one more beautiful watch from Rado, Captain Cook High-Tech Ceramic. This is a Hrithik Roshan special edition men's watch, 43 dial size, automatic, 80 hours of power reserve, unidirectional bezel ring. It's a box shaped sapphire crystal which makes case look slimmer and protects the case from the damage. The weight of this watch is 157 grams, 300 meter water resistant, which is equal to 1000 feet. You can swim with the watch, you can go for diving. And this is the Nivacron hairspring, which is anti-magnetic. 3 to 5 position test has been done. It has passed the accuracy test. This is in a plasma high-tech ceramic, patented process from Rado. Never lose its shine. It's a warm grey metallic look, very beautiful watch with anti-reflecting sapphire crystal, a huge luminous on the hands, dial. Very beautiful watch. Price of this watch is 3,54,500. Please guys, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.